Today in crypto, Cardano, ADA, has become the third largest cryptocurrency in the world and investors are expecting a positive return in the near future. Cardano's price analysis for the day shows a significant bearish outlook, as the price has fallen to a critical support level of $1.30 in the last 24 hours, going down more than 4%. It is the right time to buy Rocket at the seed market. Rocket token seed sale is live. To participate, click the link below. We at RocketPad is building ecosystem on Cardano network. The RocketPad team is going to collaborate with alumni Plutus Pioneer, a developer incubation program focused on Cardano. The next release will bring RocketPad closer to the mainnet launch. It is with utmost joy that we commend the pace of the progress of our project. RocketPad is stabilizing and dominating the crypto world. The remarks by major influencers alone has said everything needful to say. The team of front-end developers has also started doing rigorous research on wallet connection APIs and a way to deploy our static site using an API gateway. This will help to protect us from distributed denial of service attack protection, DDoS. In a nutshell, we would love to bring to us the new developments in our project. RocketPad without mince of words is about to deliver its CEDO launchpad. Currently, it has released an exclusive front demo with a polished UI. UX template/design which is both user-friendly, i.e. it would be easily accessed both through desktop and smartphones. RocketPad is bent on creating a fair and completely decentralized CEDO launchpad platform that benefits the token holders. The users will be whitelisted based on the amount of Rocket held in their wallets. This launchpad offers some other unique features that would interest you to know about. It also allows investors to stake their Rocket to make some profits. Therefore, Rocket may be staked in staking contract to get more tokens as a reward. Rocket tokens may be exchanged for other tokens on the blockchain, allowing players to supply liquidity and form a market. Swappers would be charged modestly for purchasing Rocket, and liquidity providers would be paid a return on their deposit in exchange for this. It is also introducing a feature that is quite strange in the Cardano ecosystem, the concept of token burning. This is a practice of eliminating the existing tokens from circulation so as to increase the price and value of Rocket. The most outstanding features about the 3 tiers level system. These actually makes the project premise into pairs first among equals. RocketPad is ready to play an important role in bootstrapping ecosystems, filtering out low-quality projects, offering more equitable token distribution, and helping developers get their ideas off the ground while powered by our utility token called Rocket. How does RocketPad tend to achieve this? By using the mechanism of a tier-based system. Exclusive NFT reward is also another feature that makes the project scintillating. Because of the significance and vitality NFT has offered to the people, RocketPad tends to follow the trend to create an NFT which Rocket holders can receive as an exclusive reward. Subsequently, we would be deciding if to run NFT reward campaigns occasionally or consistently, though consensually. Occasionally is more likely to be the best as that would make it interesting. Website /Twitter Telegram Medium Facebook announcement channel. Disclaimer: any information written in this press release does not constitute investment advice. CoinQuara does not and will not endorse any information on any company or individual on this page. Readers are encouraged to make their own research and make any actions based on their own findings and not from any content written in this press release. CoinQuara is and will not be responsible for any damage or loss caused directly or indirectly by the use of any content, product, or service mentioned in this press release. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Koi Labs has recently just announced the successful completion of its fundraising round with support from strategic partners and investors, as well as leading game guilds from different parts of the globe. According to the official announcement, Koi Labs closed its series round of $2.7 million funding with a valuation of Koi Metaverse A fundraising round at $45 million. Previously it closed a pre-series round of $2.6 million. Leading venture capital firms including AU21 Capital, Titans Ventures, ZBS Capital, X21 Digital, Maven Capital, Encrypt Club, Kairos Ventures, Xnet Capital and others extended the full-fledged support to Koi Labs' vision. Thrilled to announce Koi Labs has closed its $5.3 million fundraising, $2.6 million pre-round plus $2.7 million E-round. The valuation of Koi Metaverse series of funding round is at $45 million. More details pic.twitter.com/Wulge27Coin. Koi Metaverse. At Koi Metaverse November 22, 2021. The fundraising will be instrumental in promoting and innovating the idea that seeks to combine token economy and in-game NFT assets to build a unique metaverse and bolster exponential growth. The fresh influx of capital will also support recruiting multiple crypto mastery to power Koi Metaverse's development and marketing initiative to position itself as a premier project in the crypto landscape. With such funding at its disposal, the company is prepped to accelerate Koi's ecosystem and its game development as it synergizes with reputable partners. In the near future, Koi Metaverse will initiate novel and revolutionary creations in the virtual world, unlocking the next general GameFi metaverse economies. Koi Metaverse believes in the promising future of the metaverse. As authentic believers and lovers of virtual worlds, the project is keen on building its ecosystem to unlock the next-gen metaverse economies. Certainly, we are the true metaverse believers and builders who have strong motivation to unlock the next-gen GameFi metaverse economics. In the metaverse powered by blockchain, we have seen core disruptive innovations. Metaverses have existed for decades in the form of multiplayer online games. However, the metaverse economy is transforming into an interesting virtual space. The world is pivoting to an age of immersive experiences where one can hardly distinguish from the real world. It will foster new levels of interaction for both gamers and non-gamers from all over the world. The intersection of DeFi, GameFi and the metaverse has piqued the interest of several crypto communities and Silicon Valley venture capitalists in the sphere. As these sectors grow at unprecedented rates, more companies are joining the fast-moving bandwagon. With blockchain technology, Koi Metaverse seeks to reimagine a world in which contracts are embedded in digital code and stored in transparent, shared databases so that everyone could have real ownership of digital properties they purchase in the virtual space. Along with Koi Metaverse, Koi Labs is examining the next generation of gaming economy and the metaverse economy by building a digital collectibles platform for GameFi and NFTs on multiple blockchains. Koi Labs will be the next-gen infrastructure for issuing, trading, and liquefying GameFi NFTs from multiple chains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain among a list of others. Koi is launching Koi Genesis, a limited NFT collection of 5,000 Koi NFTs of Koi Metaverse. Leveraging the uniqueness of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, Koi Metaverse will modify the rules of online games for a more engaging experience. Users who own a Koi NFT are entitled to a plethora of benefits, including a 20% discount to join Phase 2 of the NFT Genesis launch at a lesser price. Moreover, there will be an opportunity to become the seed players of Koi Metaverse and participate in play-to-earn games for lucrative returns. Koi Metaverse also intends to launch exciting gaming modules in 2022 with different storylines and characters. Continue reading on CoinQuara. This is part 2 of an extensive interview with Dmitry Buterin, looking at his relationship with Vitalik and his insights as a father. For part 1, which detailed his own fascinating life story, click here. Dmitry Buterin recalls the day in 2013 when his son Vitalik showed him the Ethereum white paper at their home in Toronto. Vitalik struggled as a public figure. Back to the beginning. Fast track to success. Enter the Bitcoin. Dad, I'm dropping out. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Terra, an open-source payment network, is now the second largest blockchain for DeFi protocols in terms of total value locked (TVL) in the digital finance space. With this milestone covered, Terra has eaten Binance Smart Chain's (BSC) lunch, as it has dethroned Binance A with its groundbreaking TVL in the DeFi space. Presently, Terra has more than 13 DeFi projects running on its platform with astounding performance. Apart from the DeFi projects operating under Terra's network, there is more than $18.2 billion total value locked on the projects. When segregated, roughly the $18 billion TVL amounts to about $1.4 billion per protocol average. This is way fascinating. compared to an average of $73 million per protocol on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, that has locked $16.5 billion on 225 protocols since its inception. Percentage-wise, this equates to roughly over 42,000% increment compared to the previous years when Terra's DeFi projects accumulated $42 million in value. Nevertheless, regardless of the mind-blowing heat that Terra and BSC orchestrate in TVL, Ethereum, the rival crypto to Bitcoin, BTC, still remains the monster platform that wears the DeFi crown with a whopping $152 billion TVL locked on 361 protocols. What's more, despite the crypto's fascinating performance, Ethereum seems to heighten its predetermined effort to accommodate more DeFi protocols like never before. Notably, DeFi projects depend mainly on a myriad of protocols that use smart contracts. In essence, they simply do this with common sense to eliminate any middleman or third-party presence in financial services such as lending, trading, and borrowing activities in the market. Reminder: this Terra becomes second largest DeFi protocol post is not financial advice. Rather, it only exists to inform and educate on how the Terra blockchain is currently performing in the DeFi world. List of 13 most compelling DeFi projects on Terra blockchain. Terra TVL chart. DeFi Llama. Now, without any delay, let's quickly move forward and discuss some of the tremendous DeFi projects and their performances on the Terra blockchain. DeFi projects' performance on Terra's blockchain Anchor protocol. Among the 13 DeFi projects operating on Terra's network, Anchor spots the first position with a staggering TVL. In fact, it leads the list with a high TVL. With exaggeration, Anchor has a gargantuan threshold value of over $7.7 billion TVL in the market. At the time of writing, this figure made it become first among the crowd. The Anchor's groundbreaking $7.7 billion TVL is estimated to be around 42% when compared to Terra's overall TVL. Without a doubt, this synergy means that Anchor occupies a huge volume on the Terra blockchain. However, with this fantastic achievement, it seems to have impacted Anchor's user base positively, presently amassing a huge stride of mainstream traction. Alongside its appealing outlook, Anchor users get rewarded through a diversified stream of staked rewards, specifically from proof-of-stake, POS, consensus blockchains. Lido Protocol. Next on the list is Stake's asset liquidity provider, Lido Protocol. Lido wins the second position right Anchor with $5.4 billion TVL. As Lido showcases an impressive appearance in TVL, its community members wish it a strong stay to be on top as the second larger DeFi protocol on Terra. They have a high esteem belief that Lido has the potential and what it takes to dethrone Anchor as the first DeFi project from the Terra blockchain soon. TerraSwap. Additionally, decentralized exchange, DEX, TerraSwap follows Lido Protocol in third place. It became third with an increased 95% total value lock. To clarify, TerraSwap uses Terra's smart contracts to convey smooth and attractive peer-to-peer trades between its users. By fostering this, other DEX's liquidity becomes shareable by TerraSwap users themselves. In essence, they contribute liquidity in return for token rewards. They receive the reward in respect to the amount of liquidity they provide for each trading in the market. Terra. Nevertheless, the evolution of metaverse applications has also contributed to their remarkable presence on Terra as well. Gamified launchpad Terra, which offers intuitive support for NFT integration, has a $21 million TVL. Meanwhile, decentralized lottery protocol Terra follows next with more than $311,000 in value. Luna token. Coincidentally, Terra's total TVL spotlight came at the same time that Luna token's price formed a bullish mode. When compared to its previous days, the Luna token was up 54% with a price of $83 all-time high. ADH. This week on CoinGecko. Commenting on Luna's current success, many attribute this achievement to the token's sophisticated mechanisms. Others also think that Luna's drastic price surge is due to influence from some other DeFi applications. Terra has recently been very successful both in terms of its Luna coin price and the TVL on its DeFi protocols. The demand for the Luna token mostly stems from the demand for UST, the algorithmic stablecoin on Terra, which is minted using burning Luna, according to Spoolworks CEO, Adrian Griand. Apart from this reaction, he mentioned that swap protocols don't have any influence on Terra's TVL, unlike the other existing Layer 1 blockchains. Furthermore, Griand emphasized how happy he is with how Luna tokens maneuvered their ways in the stabilization of the protocol to generate the yield. On the other hand, it is worth giving a spell check on the Luna token performance in the market. Among the odds, the token became part of the strongest cryptocurrencies with an incredible performance in the crypto space. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, traded very tightly with a monumental market sensation everywhere. Solana, SOL, Avalanche, AVAX, and Luna itself gave a competitive look to their crypto portfolio as some traders called them the Solunavax trio. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed in this article are solely the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of CoinQuaro. No information in this article should be interpreted as investment advice. CoinQuaro encourages all users to do their own research before investing in cryptocurrencies. Continue reading on CoinQuaro. Star Sharks closes private sale with $4.65M funds. Market's famous investors took part in the private placement. Star Sharks offers a rent-to-play feature. Star Sharks, SSS, a community-driven NFT GameFi ecosystem based on the Binance A chain developed by players, investors, and developers, has closed its private sale round with $4.65 million raised funds. Furthermore, the amount will be used to create exciting new games and take care of the community. Widely known and prominent investors joined the previously held private placement. Some of them were AC Capital, XE, Gate.io Labs, Crypto Group, 3 Capital, Unix, Infinity Ventures Crypto, Banter Crypto, and Titans Venture, Everest Ventures Group, SL2 Capital, Hyperge Capital, Eco Drops, YBB Foundation, Exitwork Capital, Momentum 6, Genblock Capital, and Square. Moreover, before the private sale took place, the venture capital arm and incubator of Binance Labs made a strategic investment in Star Sharks. Built on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, the Shark Metaverse was founded by former star performers from Timmy Studio, Binance, and Google. Google. The project mainly focuses on disrupting the present GameFi landscape where assets are secluded in one game. Here, players, investors, and developers can mate, own, and trade Shark NFTs within the ecosystem. What's more, they can also smoothly and easily transfer NFTs from one game to another within the Shark Metaverse. In addition, users who are not able to afford to purchase NFTs can opt to rent one with Star Shark's NFT leasing feature. This rent-to-play function will wholly activate the utilization and liquidity of NFT assets. In simple terms, it bridges the gap between NFT holders who lack the time to play and active players who do not have enough initial funds to buy entry NFTs. Meanwhile, Frankie, the CEO of Star Sharks, expressed his thoughts. Star Sharks is dedicated to developing a state-of-the-art blockchain game platform, with the goal of sharing and maximizing the value of creativity through co-creation. We are grateful to be supported by over 30 prestigious institutional investors and communities who believe in Star Sharks' vision, and we look forward to building the game platform of the next generation together. Continue reading on CoinQuaro. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.